What is going on, guys? I am here in my car after my first drag and drive, which is the video you're going to see probably after this. I just wanted to give you guys my experience of how the car did and how I feel about it. First things first, after fixing it, which will be discussed in the previous video, everything ran great. But in this video specifically, I'm going to talk about my wonderful, dreaded Hurst short throw shifter. I loved it. I talked about it. I bragged it up. It is my most viewed video on my channel. But after making 20 some odd drag passes in the last week-ish, I can't find second. And reading in the GPI group chat, reading in the Camaro 6 forums, everybody says that the Hurst shifter is garbage. And I'm not saying that to diss Hurst. I'm saying that because Hurst is the only one on the market, and I'm going to more say this as save your money and put it somewhere else. The stock 1LE shifter is on its way right now. As you know, this car is a 1LE that I did have in the car at first. Of course, that's what it came with. But I took it out because I'm like, oh, short throw shifter, that's great. They actually have had reports of people, multiple people, saying that the shift shaft for second gear is too short. So when you shift it, as you probably just heard, from first to second, it doesn't actually go in. And especially with my car making probably high 600 wheel horsepower, 600 wheel torque at minimum. As an example, I trapped 132 coming up in next video, you'll see. I think just launching so hard now, it's twisting the chassis and pulling that remote shifter away from the transmission. So in saying that and in doing that, it doesn't let me find second. Every time I tried to no lift shift second, out of the 20 some odd times, I never hit second. Ever. So, I'm going to man enough and say that it's not me. It's the shifter. After reading everything online, I have a very good thesis and reason for saying that. And as I said, the 1LE shifter is already on its way. It should be here late this week, early next week. And I'm going to make a redemption video of this video. But I am going to post this video because I am confident that this is the issue. I should have never sold the first one. No wonder why it got picked up in not 3 days on eBay. But I'm just tired of missing second. I did a 150 60 foot, and I had to granny shift, basically floor it, hit the clutch, and just hold it there until it finally went into gear, which wasted, like, I did a 150 60 foot, but a 4.6 to the 330, but I still did a 699 to the 8th, which I'm ruining next video. But if I could have no lift shifted second, I probably would have been 660, 670 to the 8th. And that would have easily been my fastest pass ever. But, of course, something had to have changed. So, I'm changing the oil to Redline oil. I got a discount and Summit Bucks to get the oil for a little cheaper. I'm changing to the 1LE shifter, selling this, and hopefully going to possibly get a ball shifter, seeing how difficult that will be. I might just stick with this shifter, though. It's not that bad. I've got used to it in the last 400 miles that you'll see in next video. But that's it for this video. I am going to change it to the 1LE shifter, which is what came stock in this car. Unfortunately, it had to come to this. If not, maybe I just blew second gear out like the synchro's gone, which could possibly easily be the issue as well. I'm open to ideas, but I have a very big sneaking suspicion because I've never heard any grinding. I've never had any force push me out of gear. It just never let me in. So after reading everything online and everything like that, I will say that I just couldn't find second because I can no lift shift 3-4 fine, as again, you'll see in next video. But that's it for today, or right now. I'm going to make the next video literally right after this. But I just wanted to give you guys an update of how much I'm not a fan of my Hurst shifter anymore. Hurst makes a great product. I'm not dissing them. My dad's Roush has a Hurst shifter, and I can row gears in that thing like there's no tomorrow. This car just is different with the remote shifter and the linkage and everything. They missed it. Simple as that. I don't have anything against them, but they just made a kind of subpar product for the Camaros, and I'm not afraid to say that. So, when Elite Shifter's coming, I'm going to probably not be able to go back to the drag strip this year. It's end of October. It's Ohio. There's some test and tunes in October, at the end of October, and November, but I'm pretty much going to be kind of done with this car for the year. So I'll probably make a few more videos on basically anything I do, changing the oil, changing the shifter, seeing how it feels, drive it for a couple more times on the road. But I guess we'll have to find something to do for the winter, because it's going to be snowing here soon, and knock on wood, 3,000 miles later, my car hasn't blown up. So I'm actually going to put the car away this year instead of the car putting itself away. So it's been a wonderful year, and you guys will see the results of that after this video. So thank you for watching, and peace.